This is Learning with Mr. Lerner. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time to the channel. I'm starting a series of playing through some solos that I commonly assign to my students. Today, I'm going to be starting with one of my favorite books, the Rudimental Cookbook. Obviously, I've used this so much that it no longer has a cover, but Edward Freytag did a wonderful job getting this book out, and it's got progressive solos that go from very simple all the way to extremely difficult. With that being said, we are going to start from the very first solo called Hot Licks. How this is going to go is I'm going to start with talking about the difficult parts of the solo. Then we are going to do a count through so that we understand how to count the piece. And then lastly, we are going to say the stickings in the rhythms that we already learned how to count. After that, we're going to start our playthroughs, beginning at 50 beats per minute and going up in increments of 10 all the way up to 80. And then we're going to do a skip to the tempo that I usually want my students playing this at, which is 100 beats per minute. So, let's begin. If you were looking at the solo with me, you want to watch out for the stickings in measure 5 and measure 6. They can get a little difficult coming off of the 8th note paradiddles into the 16th note paradiddles. Just because the sticking in measure 4 and measure 5 are the same, the rhythms are different. Next thing you want to watch out for is the rhythms in measures 11 through 16. Let's count those together. That goes 1 and a 2 E and 1 E a 2. 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and 2. Those are some difficult rhythms, especially when you start combining the sticking with them. And last thing that you want to watch out for is the dynamic control. That means how soft or how loud you're playing between 17 and measures 22. It starts off piano and then it grows across those 4 measures, but when you take the repeat, you have to go back to mezzo forte. So make sure we don't get too crazy over there. Okay. Let's do a count through at a very slow tempo, 50 beats per minute. This is set to our 8th note, going 1 and 2 and like that. All right, here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 and 2 E and a 1 and 2 and 1 and a 2 and a 1 2 1 2 1 and a 2 E and 1 E a 2 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and 2 1 E and a 2 E and a 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 1 and a 2 and 1 E and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and 2 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 1 E and a 2 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 E and a 2 and 1 E and 2. Awesome! If you have any questions about how to read some of those rhythms, there is plenty of resources online. I may create a video in the future, but we'll see. Next, let's go ahead and read through our stickings using the rhythms that we just counted. We're just going to say right, left, right, left. When there is a flam, I'm going to say flam, flam, flam. Okay? Here we go. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, 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 left, right, right, left, 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 right, left, left, right, 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 left, right, right, left, right. Flam, flam, flam. Right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right. Right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, 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 right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, 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 right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, flam. All right, thank you for joining, and I will see you in the next lesson. Like and subscribe and do all those things. Thank you.